Uniswap token is making a low high as well as the bulls are attempting to recover the resource cost towards the higher side. The market cap of the UNI token has expanded by 9.7% to $3.8 billion in the beyond 24 hours. The UNI-BTC pair is exchanging up 5.7% at 0.000161 satoshis. Concerning the drawn-out view, Uniswap tokens are again gotten by short merchants. Yet, then again, resource holders are not figuring out how to return the coin subsequent to raising a ruckus around town day low of $3.73 mark. Nonetheless, the UNI noticed a sharp recuperation since its March lows and cost activity recommended a climbing equal channel, blue. Since the April highs, the UNI coin kept on moving lower from a descending inclining pattern line on the day-to-day cost diagram. Then again, for the beyond 10 days, noticing the 90-day low, the altcoin cost activity is being seen over the rising line, white, which is the main fence region for purchasers. On May 23, the market capitalization of Uniswap remained at $3,962,041,336. Last week, on May 17, the aggregate sum of capital committed to Uniswap was laid out at $3,626,739,318. The information from a month prior, enlisted on April 24, shows that Uniswap had a market capitalization of $6,172,353,760. Accordingly, at the hour of compassing, the Uniswap token is exchanging at the $5.3 mark. On the 4 hours cost scale, the $5.0 to $4.7 region is going a bit as a momentary help region. In the meantime, the market cap of the UNI token has expanded by 9.7% to $3.8 billion in the beyond 24 hours. Essentially, the UNI-BTC pair is exchanging higher by 5.7% at 0.000161 satoshis. As far as the day-to-day cost diagram, significant EMAs, counting 20, 50, 100 and 200, are well over the ongoing cost of the UNI token. In any case, the day-to-day exchanging volume bar shows less liquidations than the week before. Accordingly, the exchanging volume when contrasted with the earlier night is seen at $158 million. On the everyday cost diagram, the RSI pointer shows a twofold top development in the wake of plunging into oversold region 2 times. Presently the RSI is moving towards the semi-line, 50 mark. Likewise, the ADX pointer is available at the 48 imprint, which demonstrates major areas of strength for a pattern for the UNI token. However long the Uniswap coin stays over the $5.0 mark, there could be a vertical move. On the other hand, in the event that the cost slides underneath the upturn line, the altcoin could again see month-to-month lows. On May 23, the cost of Uniswap remained at $5.51 at the end of the everyday contrasted with the current place of Uniswap, it addresses a 38.99% cost move. What number of Uniswap UNI coins are there in circulation? The all-out supply of Uniswap's administration token, UNI, is 1 billion units. These will open up throughout 4 years, after which Uniswap will present a never-ending expansion rate of 2% to keep up with network support. Token appropriation at present comprises of the accompanying 60% to Uniswap people group individuals, for example clients, 21.51% to colleagues, 17.8% to financial backers, and 0.69% to counselors. The last 3 conveyances will happen as indicated by a 4-year vesting plan. Out of the larger part set to go to clients, 15% can be guaranteed by the people who utilized Uniswap preceding September 1, 2020. These even incorporate clients who submitted exchanges which were rarely fruitful. They are qualified for 400 UNI. The UNI token effectively enables shared local area proprietorship in the development and improvement of the decentralized convention. This permits UNI holders to partake in the administration of the Uniswap convention and more extensive biological system in an unbiased and trustless way. The achievement and reception of Uniswap items will emphatically affect Uniswap cost, subsequently boosting token holders to add to oneself, supporting improvement of the biological system. 4 years after the UNI token send-off, in September 2024, a never-ending expansion pace of 2% every year will produce results. This is to guarantee that cooperation in the Uniswap biological system proceeds by disincentivizing latent holders. Total supply focuses to the quantity of coins that have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and are either coursing available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' Chile wallets. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange. The all-out supply of Uniswap as of now remains at 100,000,000 unit. As previously made sense of, the circling supply is the most regularly involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital currency being referred to. It relates with the best estimation of the general number of coins that are public on digital money trades and add to their liquidity. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The circling supply is essentially what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange. At the present time, the circling supply of Uniswap is assessed at 718,886,024 unit. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Uniswap market added up to $213,976,485. Yesterday, on May 23, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $126,095,652. A week prior, on May 17, the force of Uniswap exchanging all through the meeting came to $162.011,045. What is Uniswap unit? Uniswap is a famous decentralized exchanging convention, known for its part in working with mechanized exchanging of decentralized finance (DeFi) tokens. An illustration of a mechanized market producer, Uniswap sent off in November 2018, however, has acquired extensive prominence this year because of the DeFi peculiarity and related flood in symbolic exchanging. Uniswap intends to keep token exchanging computerized and totally open to anybody who holds tokens, while working on the effectiveness of exchanging versus that on customary trades. Uniswap makes more proficiency by addressing liquidity issues with computerized arrangements, staying away from the issues which tormented the primary decentralized trades. In September 2020, Uniswap went above and beyond by making and granting its own administration token, UNIT, to past clients of the convention. This additional both productivity potential and the capacity for clients to shape its future, an alluring part of decentralized elements. Who are the founders of Uniswap? Uniswap occurred as an arrangement to acquaint AMs on Ethereum with a more extensive crowd. The stage's maker is Ethereum designer Hayden Adams. Adams worked in different activities while concluding Uniswap, and his work was educated straight by Ethereum maker Vitalik Buterin. Buterin even wound up giving the convention its name. It was initially known as Unipig. Adams has additionally said that the first motivation for the Uniswap stage came from one of Buterin's own blog entries. His unique plan to zero in on